Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and I want to show you my new awesome wheels. These are from Method race wheels and this is the 701. They are a 5 lug nut pattern and these wheels are awesome for a few reasons. So one, they're just super strong and durable and really well made. Also, I love the bronze color and it looks really great on my car, so that's a bonus. Also, they're great for off-roading. So these are designed to be able to be driven even at a lower tire pressure, but still reduce the risk of de-beading. You can use them on the road as well as off-roading if you use your vehicle for both occasions. So I'm really happy with these wheels. They went on super easily. You do want to make sure that you test fit them before you mount them so that you know that they're going to work for your car, because there's a bunch of different size options. But once you do that and you get them on, you're going to be super happy with the way that they look and the way that they perform. So I would definitely recommend these wheels from Method, and that's my point of view.